Or what KDON?
KIH 31 is still off.
FFW!
I'm under it.
No, I'm joking. Here you go,
I
bro.
apparently didn't get this on my dumbass phone. So, yeah, I think that's the first ever EVI for Soul County, even if it's WEA only.
Ever?
Yeah, ever.
Damn. Did you ping it?
I might, yeah. Right.
Drive on flooded roads. Handily terrain rail hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
Do think he KIA 62 because this sure does sound a lot like that for that station's relay. Now I just wait on KYT. First, we're on the new TV.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California, Ventura County in southwestern California, until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, local law enforcement reported flash flooding developing from moderate to heavy rain overspreading the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fillmore, Ojai, Santa Clarita, Santa Paula, Rockwood Valley, Lake Hughes, Elizabeth Lake. Potentially affected burn scars include Lake, Route, Emigrant, Hungary, Tumbleweed, and North. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Give me a fucking good reception. Oh shit, reception. Okay.
Angeles has issued a flash flood warning for southern Ventura County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain spreading across the Warren area from west to east. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams.
Another blank green scroll.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for southern Ventura County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain spreading across the Warren area from west to east. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oxnard, Thousand Oaks, Simi Valley, Ventura, Camarillo, Chatsworth, Moore Park, Santa Paula, Fort Hueneme. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
On local television, News Channel 3.
We are celebrating us.
About the kids were very supportive and they will follow my wishes. If you have to do something like that in the hospital, it's much more difficult.
Learn more about advanced care planning and what it means for you and your family at getitdonesb.org. En español at miregalo.org.
As a long-term care ombudsman, I advocate for residents in skilled nursing and assisted living facilities. I always thought it's important to give back to the community when you have the opportunity and the time. There's a lot of satisfaction in knowing that you've relieved somebody's anxieties, you've resolved their concerns, or you've protected them from harm. And that's what it's all about.
You too can make a difference in the life of a long-term care resident.
Hanson buried the remains of her two.
Thank God same headers are actually implemented back into KFI.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, Inglewood, Woodland Hills, and Chatsworth. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Thank God there's actually same headers and EOMs on KFI now, unlike what happened in Hurricane K.
Southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, Inglewood, Woodland Hills, and Chatsworth. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
It's been about...
And one of the most controversial places, at least as far as water is concerned, in our entire state. We're going to spend the day here and look at the past history of this state and look at what
Let's hope KCT goes.
that will its future. We are looking forward to a wonderful learning experience up here in Owens Valley. We're looking out at the lake right.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, Inglewood, Woodland Hills, and Chatsworth. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
And then right around 1900, things began to change.
Yeah, as the Owens Valley grew and developed as an agricultural community, the water from the Owens River, which feeds the lake, was diverted mostly into irrigation. You had some 400 small farms upstream, and there were some months around 1900, the turn of the century, there were some months of the year when the river didn't even reach the lake anymore. So it was starting to recede from agricultural activities in the early part of the century.
But that's not really what I was talking about. I was talking about what happened from down LA way.
Well, that happened a little later, after the turn of the century. Los Angeles started acquiring land and water rights in the Owens Valley.
Got down KNX and KCT.
From the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for the Fish and much of Bobcat Burn Scar in East Central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. At 7:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain approaching the Fish and much of the Bobcat Burn Scars. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. A life-threatening debris flow is ongoing or may begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening debris flows in and around the Fish and much of Bobcat Burn Scar. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, mud, rock, and debris flows will impact drainages, roads, and residences in and directly below the burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Acton, Mount Wilson, Glendora, Pasadena, San Dimas, Duarte, Pomona, La Verne, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Wilson and Mount Waterman, Monrovia, Falling Springs, Sierra Madre, Azusa, Arcadia, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Waterman and Wrightwood, Covina, Claremont, and Irwindale. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the fish and much of Bob Camden's garden. East central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. It's 7:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Doppler radar and automated.
Shut up.
Places you're going to find anywhere in California as well.
I wouldn't argue with that. That's why I live up here.
You're smiling. This is where you work and live.
I have my whole family's migrated up here from Southern California, so we're here to stay.
You've been with DWP for a long time.
26 years.
Okay, and you are the ringleader. You are the instigator. You are the supervisor. You're the guy that's kind of shepherding.
Share.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the fish and much of Bob Cadburn's Garden, East central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until midnight Pacific Standard Time. It's 7:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain approaching the fish and much of the Bob Cadburn scars. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. A life-threatening debris flow is ongoing or may begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening debris flows in and around the fish and much of Bob Cadburn scar. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: mud, rock, and debris flows will impact drainages, roads, and residences in and directly below the burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Acton, Mount Wilson, Glendora, Pasadena, San Dimas, Duarte, Pomona, Auburn, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Wilson and Mount Waterman, Monrovia, Falling Springs, Sierra Madre, Azusa, Arcadia, Angeles Crest Highway between Mount Waterman and Redwood, Salinas, Claremont, and Irwindale. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Of the water used to head south, now for restoration purposes in this river. But there's another exciting aspect to the project on the bottom end that deals with water efficiency and management, and that's the pump station.
All right, we still got a lot. Well, there's a lot between here and the pump station.
Yeah, we still got a lot of possible alerts